So why are you sitting down here?
But why you can't do me so? I don't know, say you next time if I I don't know, I don't hold the person where I pull the person where he fall down like this. Problem for my top.
But I was just joking with you, I don't know. So why is that?
Not be all joke be joke.
So why is that? Why is that?
I did everything off fire. The weather no nice. The weather no nice.
Have you eaten?
I not chop. They find I don't know whether they will get me something like that or something like that.
Me too, I'm not having money. I'm also thinking if I'll call home or someone will send me money.
You not get money where you can't do me this kind of thing.
Sorry, but okay, if I call home, anything that happens, I'll let you know.
Which one? By the time you go can a person die.
Like seriously.
If you get something, give me make I go or you send me some money make I see yourself.
Okay, I'll try and check if I'm having something.
Everything try. Why not? Instead of trying, just do make us see what's up.
I hope. So let me call home first. Then I'll let.
Make you go home.
Or either I get it from someone and I'll pay the person later.
Hey, look at him. Common assignment you couldn't do. You are following Mickey, doing your body like this. Shako, walking around campus. Common assignment you couldn't do.
Are you know the fear face?
Fear face. A chip of it.
Wait, the assignment says
they are not serious.
The project says you sure say you then your woman or you go get them.
Look at this one. At least we do them.
See, you do them, you submit all right too. But we then you or we they get the same grade.
Oh, look at this boy.
They talk about me.
Forget about you.
No. Just can you just imagine this guy?
But at least no could do. No could say you do something and get 0. You don't do anything at all. See this one though.
I'm surprised.
Oh.
Stone way too. When be the last time you get 10 over 10?
Oh, but at least I did do the assignment.
But you don't do the get 0.
No, I still they do them. It shows say at the force. Oh,
see,
Nana.
we no do them. But I swear we get past man.
Come on, how can you tell me the story? I still did it, nigga.
Okay. See, those people where they pay lectures make them pass them.
Exactly.
I talk you.
Exactly.
So they do that.
Why you think we don't know
do
about you?
Shako whilst you pay.
Anna Stone, wait. You think me? I don't know about you.
Me?
See, I get your secret. It
Say
did my
wait.
pen drive top.
Say wait.
You think I don't see you plus that lecturer?
Hey,
You dey take yourself, they give him.
Stone,
You two,
See,
you are
trust,
running.
no trust them. See, I swear, come. I go pile all the
No,
secrets.
we dey talk about assignment. You dey wait. I will deal with that one later.
No.
Why you no
see,
do the
see,
assignment?
I beg, mind your business. You understand? You for lecture and work, makes you get money. You understand?
Eric, wait. See, there are more days for assignments. We'll do our own. There are more days to do.
Yeah,
I
that's
will
it.
talk to you. Today be the deadline though. If you don't know, if it today now they close everything.
Confuse people.
You see yourself.
Confuse people.
See yourself.
How many times are you going to ask for money? Over just one single video? Why?
But you said that video is a very expensive one. When I take it to town now, I'm going to make a lot of money out of it.
So I'm paying it in installment, right?
Your job is on the line.
But you can't keep doing this forever. Huh?
You have a lot of money. I mean, I have to make money at all costs.
You've seen my account balance before. What do you mean?
Say, I know you have it. But do you want us to take more videos? I mean, the sex video.
Like, do you think by now I'll feel like? After all you did.
Anyway, I am so sorry it happened this way, but such is life. You have to deal with it.
This is what I have at the moment.
I don't want check, please. You once upon a time gave me a bounced check.
You told me that. Because, you see, I don't have as much as you think I have. This is cash anyway.
How much is it?
And let it be enough. It's enough for you to stay silent for a long while.
I am sorry, that is not true.
You haven't even seen the amount inside. How can you say that?
How much is it?
Like I said, it's enough for you to keep quiet for a long time.
I am sorry. I'll be coming back for more, darling. Mwah.
Please.
What's up?
Oh no. You know, say I visit the salon chair. I want to go and change my hair and look good for you. So I dey hear money.
Hey, woman, dad. Every day, different topic. Every day, different topic.
Make you
Every
stop
blessed
that.
day.
You just give me the
Oh.
money.
You like money too much. Every day like this. Every day like this. Every day like this.
What kind of insult is that? Check the body. How can you give me
That's why I'm giving you 100K.
100K is no money.
You throw the money away. Ghana dollar.
Check me. This body behind this matter. Make you not do that. Oh, what kind of insult with this one?
This my baby go kill
money,
me. Oh.
money. This one be money. A whole Sakpanyanya, 150 for what?
You won't kill me.
Oh,
I don't
make you
go
not
die.
do that. Make you not do that.
You go kill me, but I don't go die.
Oh, you make it add
You
small.
only take him.
Oh, just add small.
Take him.
I know so you go add data. So I'll see you in the evening.
Not even anything. Just the go. I'll see you in the evening. The evening time you can't connect again. Doesn't matter. We can't go kill people. Bro. Not this small thing.
Aniki, what is the chop? What I go chop like now? You know, see, I need chop for this place.
But you dey see yourself.
I dey see
I
myself
see
like
Sarah. I tell you how many money be why. You dey serious. But say me come go chop. They tell me say you need to chop. But
But
when
when
we
forget, but Eric, see this thing like, so like joke like you can't complete school this. Or more.
Tell me see if I dey think about it, they do me like movie. Hey Charlie, what's up?
Big man there.
You guys, where they come look for you? You there always your friends there, then they look like you. See some hungry boy, you carry
Like Charlie, bro. 3 years ago.
I see you with the camera. I think say we can't spend like centuries for you. I just imagine right now, no, we can't compete with that.
Hey, but you know, say I dey imagine something.
What do you imagine?
Like the life you can't live for this queen, sir. You dress in your like suit. See, they go sit office.
Hey! Me,
Charlie.
they talk to me. Can you see me? Will you all be your mind after school?
Charlie. Maybe I just go see for, or like I just go mind up him some his companies with Charlie. I just go there, Charlie, manage some of the company. That's all. You also.
Charlie, if I split, you know, either I will stay Ghana, but me, I won't make you see that. I guess I'm girls, I don't knock yet. So after that mission, I will stay for Ghana for some time. See this East Legon girls.
Forget this thing, Charlie. Maybe Charlie. No, I go fix you somewhere, you know, Charlie.
You
say they
go
can't
fix
take
me somewhere.
I go fix you, so
But
I go
how
treat
you
you
dey see
better,
me?
bro.
How you dey see me? Nah, watch me well. How you dey see me?
If you know, it's Charlie,
You go fix me. See, make I talk this and the fact say I dey take you, they can't you, they can't buy food, they give me no mean say me then you will share the same boundary. You hear me?
Charlie, where my chin dey?
I said Mami say pacho where we do I know.
Pacho me wow.
Pacho bin didn't problem me ba.
I'm up to the salon.
Really? To the salon?
Yes.
All this just to the salon?
Yes.
Wow. Wow, I like the 360. Wow. Well, I'm sure all this just to the salon?
Yes,
and back?
just to the salon.
Should I drop you off?
No, I'll go with my car.
Oh, okay.
So
But drive safely. Okay.
take care of
Hold
yourself.
on. Can you give me another 360? Yes, I love this. Yeah, take care. Yeah, that's my baby.
Yeah.
That's
See
my
you,
baby. Oh, ladies of today.
I tell you the track they go on.
Swear. My homeboy with it.
Guy, what's up?
Wait, you do okay? You know how much I buy this game? I don't need touch my cap like that.
Shut up. That's 20 pesos is the tattoo you wear. You don't wear the tattoo for your life before.
You say,
you know they wear better thing. 20 pesos.
You know this every combination. You know they see.
This one is the drip.
A branding.
Cheap drip.
You say, oh, what's up? What carry you?
Yeah, what's up? See, I know they follow you talk. I know see if you broadcast. My guy, I beg. I won't go my grandfather in 1 week. I need black shoe. I want just that black shoe you wear. The minute they talk to Joe, the minute they talk to yeah, I need the shoe. I won't go 1 week. I won't go in 1 week. Shoe. Yeah, the black one way. I never feel wear this white one they go, they can't. Come on, my friend feel come go. I talk to you Charlie. The man types I don't get. You no get or you no one give me talk. Which one you want?
If you say you no go give you.
So talk say that my friend I know talk to us.
You too much. Common shoe no fit buy.
Joe, I don't get capital and capital. I don't get.
If you do too much.
Look at my face. So, as you can say, I can't borrow you something small.
Massa.
You relax. I didn't ask you something.
Laboro, we cancel that thing for this.
Bro, we don't get me.
This hostel, we know the.
But you don't know your lifestyle. Hey, you too weak. Some girl be there, they can't post it. It's not the full some girl. Every you. I don't talk about that. It's too weak, bro.
So if you go mafia your brother, he be sick of woman. Come for you.
Two of you. I go
tell you they listen to music before you
carry. I mean, because of you.
Laboro. Hey, Laboro.
You be here today. Where I search you for the campus, I know they see you. You think say you go fit stab me for my back, eh? You be traitor. Make you no worry. All the things you dey plan, I know. Make you no worry. Make you no worry, cry. Make you no worry. You won't stab me for my back. You don't know me, eh? You don't know me. They see me say Grace, cool girl. I don't be cool girl like that, oh. Make I talk you. I don't be cool girl like that. You won't stab me for my back. You talaku, eh? Talaku.
Why do you rush yourself? Huh? Why do you rush yourself? I talk you say make it pop down. Every day, everything dey my hand. Eh? Everything dey my hand. But if I talk you something, you no want listen to me.
I don't want listen.
It be that one they bore me. But if I talk you something, they listen, you go see say, this girl, pa. I mean, I know say be like this, you go do her. Like me and you no go do that move.
Come on for them.
This girl, pa. See, they fuck up. Oh. Me Sakpanyanya. I'm married for you while they do business price. You won't show me, say, you look for me. Me, I be kidding where you go look for me. I can't see my place where they take some fresh air, they think some better things. And you come there here, they job. This guy said, let me go. I for go find some 1 Guinness to be safe drink.
The assignment me, I know the sit up.
You know the sit up, so make I do it. Well, you know be we all them teach.
You know, say I know. Yesterday I know come class like.
You mean saying you say make you no come class?
You no go show me, go come up for this place. If I no pass destiny, small thing you go show me, make you go do this. You don't below your head give me.
I no go show you. You won't make I show you this thing. You no go humble yourself. It's not the common market for my head. We won't make I show you.
If I talk to you, no, they talk to me anyhow.
Give me.
show me, Charlie. Me better say me I know that because I know they write anything, nothing they there before, Charlie. If I don't pass, I don't pass. This your phone. This your phone. You go put this your phone for the block.
You want make that phone back? Yeah, I want to you.
You want?
It's a different job. It's a different job. Give you job. Make it not make yourself.
Okay, take.
This one not be food though. I really dey talk. Let me see.
You don't talk too much. They play.
I want to show you say me I know.
Play.
I swear. What you play? Wait, I think check. You know get eyes.
See what you play. These people won't shake me. Collect and no get them.
Who?
Please have to play this one.
Where they take me pass?
You play the same thing. Charlie. For me steady.
Tell it fast now. Me I make one. I want you to feel.
Yeah. Where you dey go? I go catch you.
Today, somebody will cry.
Huh?
Go, we dey go. I caught up.
You go now.
But if you don't get that, I ain't know.
How you go take me? You don't win now. Say you say you no go play.
I show you my card. Okay, then.
Show.
Look at this guy. Can you show him? Why they delay?
Show.
Which one you play? In this, number 10. You know this one you play? Nah. Why you want plaster my thing? Look at this guy. Why we this guy? You can say no.
Charlie.
Look at this guy. Why? I go hammer who? Now if you just say I will hijack you. Why you hijack me? Look at this guy. Why you want plaster my thing?
Charlie.
No, why you put fine? You want see me? This guy dey cheat.
Wait. You
want see me?
See, give am make
Give me my money now.
I go put my phone for me. I go put my phone.
Give
this money.
This guy dey cheat. Who dey cheat? Why you want see me? Yeah, so try that way.
And you go put
yourself.
And you go beat you don't put anything. Charlie, if you don't get put your phone.
If you don't get go away.
Or come out.
If you don't get money, go away. Yeah, I want to show you say me as a yeah. I tell you say this guy is a criminal.
No, I know
this
one.
See how
you this one.
But why you? Why you want plaster? If you don't get. Say it up me go. Are you sir? It is a hard here. Which card did you use? Play.
Play your first
card.
Why
they carry the money there? The money be on.
And you don't put anything. You don't put God.
Put down. You like I lost my money. I take lost your money.
Play make you go. Play.
Fast. Go.
They go, Sha. They go. Now you get. You go. Charlie. Let me say, Wahala don't come.
You don't play, Abi?
I don't play.
Sha.
Where you dey go? They go. And they tell you say where you dey go. Where you dey go? You go carry me dey play. Charlie. Me I no go play again.
How you go play again? Hey, what did you go talk? Why? This guy? No, make you no play. Say Mama dey come. Mama dey sick.
I dey come. Oh,
Mama dey sick. So we said I don't go play again.
Why?
Why?
Charlie, why?
Why?
So you mean you people are going here?
We don't go now.
So why my phone day?
So Mickey, are you going to remain? What do worry you?
Eric, what should I do? Tell me, child, what have I do?
Just be
Charlie,
active.
do you know the implication of what just happened and what happened? Do you know the implications? Do you know its implications?
See, I tell you, definitely me. I will find the girl. I will find her. See, wherever that girl did. So far as she did this campus, Charlie, why you
How?
forget who I be?
How? Brother, how?
Leave that to me.
Charlie,
Oh,
do you know what is at stake? My image, my pride, my father's image. You of all people should know who he is to this
But
country.
make I talk you something. This thing no go fit solve the problem. Your image, your father, the thing that's it happened already. Your father know about it. So now what's up? Just say we go find the girl, make you try explain things to your father. But now what you go talk your father, we go understand.
That's not important. Right now, what I want to do, see, I have to find this girl before this thing starts circulating around social media.
Make I talk you something. Just be yourself, be active, forget about it, stop the worry. Because if you dey worry, the more you dey worry, the more the thing will hurt you.
Sean, every day, stop the worry. Charlie, I don't know the girl in name. All I know right now be say DB face. Charlie, I don't know in department, nothing, bro. What should I do? Stop telling me.
That's why I say me, I got you. I go search the girl, give you. Oh, what's up? You know they believe me already. Eh? All I want from you now is just be active for me. Like be the old Mickey I used to know, bro.
I can't. I swear I can't.
See, this thing is part of life. Life, they definitely you face obstacles, you understand? But this won't make you calm down, like always they cry up and actually this thing will solve problem. You understand?
Eric,
but thinking no they solve problem.
Do you know how you can help me right now? You know how you can help me? Just help me get this person.
And I tell you, say I got you, bro. You know.